my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product here that has been great for my cash budgeting journey. So I am a cash budgeter, and that's what I like to use these A6 binders for. These would be great too for organizing things like stickers or maybe even photos, things like that. But I absolutely love it for my cash envelopes. I specifically use this binder right here for my savings challenges. I love that you get a bunch of different budget envelopes in here. So these paper envelopes are so very pretty, and there's so many different designs. You're also going to get 12 expense tracker budget sheets, and then 6 of these dividers here, and then 24 label stickers. So if you need to change out the labels, you have extras just in case. This is going to be an A6 size, and I just simply love this binder right here. It's so cute with these daisies and the gold centers, and the silver hardware just really complements it well. I really appreciate this budget binder. Rancco did an incredible job creating this. I highly recommend it to anyone else who is starting up their budget journey or someone who is more seasoned in it and knows what they like. I highly recommend this one, and that is my point of view.